You know, normally I don't start off with a room tour by showing you guys the view, but I was just too excited about this view. As you can see, we are staying at Universal's Endless Summer Dockside, one of the brand new resorts right off of International Drive. This is our view. There's one of the gigantic pools. Now, each of the Endless Summer resorts have their own pool. Both are very, very large, as you can see. But look at this view. There's Icon Park straight ahead. A few other resorts in the distance. How amazing. Okay, now let's do the room tour. Hi everybody, and welcome to the world of Micah. For Abby's birthday this year, we are staying at Universal's Endless Summer Dockside. Now on this episode, we're gonna be doing a full room tour, a full tour of the resort. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Now, let's take a closer look. That's right, Universal's Dockside Inn and Suites, a part of Universal's Endless Summer Resorts. Now, when you first come in, just like a cruise ship, you have to put in the room key that turns the power on. Gives you some power. And look, you can look at yourself in the mirror. All right. Moving on in, this is the bathroom. Look at this mirror with the nice lighting. Some really good lighting here. Oh yeah, this is great. Kind of need this for when I'm doing other videos of the house and stuff. It's pretty nice. This is the soap they give you. Surf and Sand Gentle Facial Soap. Sea salt for all skin types. That's good. The sink here. Towels. Hair dryer. Has anybody ever heard of a towel? This is the bathroom here with the shower. Ooh, some more Surf and Sand soaps. Some conditioner, shampoo, and a bath bar there. Now this is a tub too, technically. You can use the tub. What's behind the curtain? Aha, the safe. You have a safe, little rack, little storage area, ironing board. This is what the thermometer looks like. Got to keep it cool in the summer. And then this is the main room here. One thing I noticed is, check this out, there's no carpet whatsoever. You have tile in here in the bathroom, and then it goes into like the wood laminate here. There are rugs. That's kind of interesting, right? Two beds here. Take a look at the artwork they have above the beds. Kind of sets the tone of Dockside. So it's be like you're, you know, hanging out by the dock. Has a feel of that for sure in the lobby and the main hotel area. Two beds. I kind of like the little comforter they have. Kind of reminds me of the beach. Little wave action. There's one of the other rugs I was talking about. I love this. It's a chest. You can use the chest to store things in. Also to keep things on here. Remote is wrapped for safety. They give you some hand sanitizer. Clock here. Plenty of outlets, including a USB outlet right there. Now I love the lights right above the bed. I love that. I think that's a great, great touch. This, the chair they give you to hang out in, it's pretty comfortable. TV, and look, there's some storage above the TV. Catch the wave sign right here. We have a whole desk set up right here with computer that did not come in. That is one of our personal computers and laptops here. But we do have a fridge, and we have stocked it for the stay with Diet Coke and LaCroix. Some water's in there. But look how it hides it pretty well. In here, I threw the snacks in. And there's some more storage areas down here. This is your seat, your stool area for the desk, the media center, I guess, the office center, if you want to say that. This is the curtain, has different colors on it. And another rug. I found another rug right over here. And this is the view once again. I know you guys want to see this view. Look at the size of that pool. That's pretty impressive. There's even a little pool bar and snack center over here called the Wave Makers. Plenty of seating though in this pool area. And there's some sand. I see a little beach area right there. That's all sand. Pretty nice. You want to go get dinner?
Yeah.
It's the birthday girl. She's 21. Woohoo!
Yeah, that's right.
I like the hallway because it has like these little designs that almost resemble a surfboard, right? And you'll see some pretty cool artwork all throughout the resort. But I'm saving a lot of this stuff for another episode. Some secrets, a Easter egg video that I'm doing. But it's time for dinner. All right, we're gonna be eating at the Pier 8 Market, which is right next to the Starbucks and the main lobby check-in here. You guys will see all of this on the next episode too. Kind of give you a quick look at this lobby area and all the details. It's really cool. It's supposed to represent a dock. Kind of does have all the elements from a dock, including the carpet that looks like waves, looks like the ocean, right? At least that's the vibe I get. Had to get some sanitizer too. While I was here, these things are everywhere. All right, welcome to Dockside's Pier 8 Market. Look at all the seating, some private seating, some booths. And you walk in this way to get your food. They have different stations all set up. There's also a grab and go area right here. Some bagels, muffins, Pop-Tarts, cookies, you know, chips, little things if you're on the go. Even a gluten-free section. Ooh, I've never seen these at a park. That's kind of cool, or a resort I should say. Also cupcakes, salads, sandwiches, and some cereal. But I'm not here for grab and go. I'm here for some dinner. Now I did see on the menu they had the fried chicken and waffles here. They have an 8-piece meal or a 2-piece meal. Some mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, corn on the cob. They have different sauces. Sloppy sticky sauce, bourbon maple and bacon, the Rocket Man spicy barbecue, or the Southern hot buffalo. That's pretty tempting. Over here they have pizza, all kinds of different pizzas and garlic knots. All pizzas are available with a gluten crust. That's pretty cool. They have a veggie pizza, kids pizza, stuffed shells, or penne chicken Alfredo as well. Burgers and sandwiches, french fries, onion rings, barbecue cheeseburger, turkey burger, kids burger, Beyond Burger, mahi sandwich, coconut shrimp. Man, so many options. They have hot sandwiches, a dock worker Reuben, a crusty Cuban, kid grilled cheese. They have a turkey club. They have the Mardi Gras special shrimp étouffée and grits. And beignets with powdered sugar and caramel drizz. Wow. Look at this. Some of the offerings right here. Some avocado toast. Right there. Look at that sandwich. And these are burger toppings right there. Boy. They have a soft serve machine. Chocolate swirl or vanilla. And right here they have different salads you can grab and go. Cobb salad, mixed green, or chicken Caesar. They have a juice bar. Oh yeah, this is all the pastries they have. Look at this, all kinds of desserts here. Ooh, they're Krispy Kreme donuts. I didn't know that. These are all from Krispy Kreme. And then they have, what is that, croissants. Boy. And then the last station, they have the Joey sandwich, which has salami and all kinds of stuff on it. Rhode Island chicken salad sandwich, or the cheese breeze. Ooh, desserts, Reese's brownie, cookies and cream brownie, cheesecake, key lime pie. These are some of the sandwiches here. That's pretty big. But I tell you, that cookies and cream brownie sounds good. I think that's over here. Let's see. Yep, I believe that's it right there. Yum. And there's the cheesecakes, and that's the Reese's. They have the refillable mug here, which comes with endless refills, as it should. These are the juice bar. This is yogurt and parfait right here, and some fresh fruit. And then this is the juice bar. Orange juice, super green juice, raspberry juice, blueberry. What does that say? Blueberry orange juice. Yum. And this, look at this. There's coffee cold brew in here, latte, frappe, chocolate shake, fruit shake, smoothies, refreshers, lemonade. Put your cup down there and it makes it right here. It's like a touchscreen. And I'm seated waiting for Abby. She had to wait for her meal to be cooked a little longer. She got a turkey burger, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my chicken and waffles. Look at this, 2-piece on the waffle, macaroni and cheese. Now this is their buffalo, and then this, as you can see, is the syrup and the bourbon glaze. Remember that bourbon bacon glaze I was talking about? And they give you some butter. Pretty excited about this meal, to be honest with you. It's been a long time since I've had chicken and waffles. And this macaroni and cheese looks pretty creamy. Where I come from, macaroni is a vegetable. And this is Abby's turkey burger right here with fries. Pretty nice, I like those kind of fries. And this is the dining room. Honestly, I'm pretty upset by how busy and how crowded this is. Like, come on, could you guys not give us just a little bit of privacy? I feel like everyone's on top of us. Honestly, this is fantastic. They're even continuing with the dock vibes over here, man. This is awesome. Pretty cool view, everything surrounding us. This place is rather large. And this is dinner. Now this is all the food and drink places they have here. Pier 8 Market, which is where we're at. The Sunset Lounge, which is the bar they have here. I'll be visiting that tomorrow. You'll see that on the next episode. They have the Dockside pizza delivery and Starbucks snacks. Not to mention the place out by the pool. Now, this is the bourbon bacon, and you have to add your maple in there. So I think what I'm gonna do is open this and kind of just do this number. Yeah, there we go. It mixes in pretty well. All right, that's the little sauce right there. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That bourbon, bacon, and maple. That's pretty good. I'm excited to try the buffalo sauce too. So I poured that on top. I'm gonna dip some of the buffalo in there. Mac and cheese is to die for. How's the turkey burger?
Good. It has cranberry mayonnaise on it.
Whoa.
I'm a big sucker for cranberry mayonnaise.
Yeah.
So.
That's awesome. It's like a little Thanksgiving dinner, which is your favorite.
A little bit.
That's cool. Let's try that buffalo sauce. Buffalo sauce, pretty dang good. I love buffalo. Pretty good. Yes, they were correct. That is the stickiest sauce ever. It's awesome though. That was so good. Buffalo sauce was good. I tried some of the fries. Very, very delicious meal. Not bad price. I think we spent like 20-something bucks for both of these. Pretty good. And we have refillable drinks. All right, this is the walkway going back to the room. Look at this. Really, really cool. The scenic views. I like the lights right here. Look at all these lights. I bet it looks really cool at night. We'll have to see what everything looks like at night. Dockside's Pier 8. Fantastic dinner. Did you like your sandwich?
Yes, a lot of good choices. A lot of like not typical theme park food, which is really nice to see.
Absolutely. Let's see what kind of views we can get. Over here. Oh yeah, there's Volcano Bay right there. I can kind of see Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket right there against the building. And then to the far right, that is Fun Spot. Some international drive views for sure, and that's where we just were, right there. Across the way there is Endless Summer Surfside? Yeah, Surfside. But I'm excited to show you guys what this place is gonna look like after dark. So that's what we're gonna do now, kind of kill some time. And you guys will see the nighttime views. Some time has passed, did a little time lapse for you guys, and during that time lapse, Universal actually moved our room, gave us a better view. Look at this. Kind of impressed with this. It's very nice of them to do. So basically, Universal called us and said there was something like a plumbing thing or something in the room, something with the water pressure, something. They weren't going to be able to fix it that night. And so they just moved our room. Not complaining about it because this view, pretty spectacular. But this is what we're looking at this evening. You can see the Star Flyer right over there, all lit up. And then panning over to the far right, that's the Slingshot right over there. Our old room was right over in this area. 5th floor, we're now on the 3rd floor. How neat is that? Pretty big pool. I like how it's all lit up. And it stayed busy throughout the afternoon. The Wavemaker's bar, you guys will see on the next episode. But these are the nighttime views from the room. Not bad. But I think our adventure for today has come to an end. Which means it's time to say goodbye. If you enjoyed this episode, please click the thumbs up button. The next time you're here at Endless Summer, tell them World of Micah sent you. Until then, stay weird.